Hi, I'm Colin from Mack Yacht Services, and welcome to episode 4 of our Island Packet Hurricane Refit. Since our last episode, we got a chance to put up the paint shed. Now in this kind of breeze this time of year, it can be a load of laughs, but it is an important part of making sure that your job turns out right. With a tent, we can control not only the temperature, but the air quality, making sure that no contamination happens during the paint job. In addition, we also use our brand new turbine, which utilizes an HVLP sprayer. The great thing about that is that you end up less overspray in the tent, which means a better finish, and more of the paint ends up on the boat. We had a chance to get the new rudder in, along with a new rudder shoe from Island Packet. It looks fantastic. After 3 good coats of Seahawk bottom paint, it was great to get the boat back in the water, floating as it should be. It's always nice when a boat's back home where it belongs. And we're at my new facility, the Mack Yacht Services Boatyard. You could probably hear the saws in the background. There's a lot of exciting stuff going on. Now you'll see Kiwi here hard at work, matching the teak. Anytime we mix new lumber with old, you're going to have differences in grain, color, and texture.
Here we are trying to match 2 different stains to see what is going to match our old teak with our new teak the best. Here we have an early America, and I'm just going to apply some cherry stain to this side to see what I personally think is going to match the best. So you see there's still a little difference between the two. This is going to be a little bit darker, but once we have it all on and we cover it with seal and varnish, it's all going to marry in beautifully.
So it's always difficult and tedious, but worth the effort to make sure that you take the time to stain and blend the teak properly, as well as we spend a lot of time hand selecting the teak. Now, Arthur's been hard at work as well, and he's been putting on the rub rail. The starboard side of the boat is all done, so we have our strike rail as well as our rub rail installed. Now some of this had to be replaced due to the hurricane, and we've done our best to blend it in so you can't tell that new pieces are mixed in with the old. And put in with 316 grade fasteners so we don't have rust issues. We're dry fitting some of the items like the new Tigris windlass from Low Franz. Our welding team has finished the bow rail and the stern rail, which is a little more work than you might think. Obviously it seems like stainless tubing and a little bit of welding, but the 3-dimensional work of getting something completed to fit and match your boat perfectly so you never knew it was damaged. It's a work of art that anyone could be proud of to have on their boat. While everyone likes to see exciting stuff like new instruments and new autopilots, we spent about 4 days cleaning up the electrical system on this boat. Lots of work from many different owners and many different companies, and unfortunately it's not always safe or up to par. So our team of electricians is making sure that this boat is up to snuff. Now in our next episode, episode 5, we'll be doing the finishing touches on this boat, like lifelines, dressing sails, rig tune, customer orientation, as well as sea trials. So thank you for watching Mack Yacht Services. Thank you for following us, and we look forward to seeing you soon.